Yeah, so I'm about to take you inside this beautiful Drees home in Meridiana. The sheetrock is up. They've got some of the trim in. They've got the texture on the sheetrock. And I've got one special surprise for you once we get in there. Hey, it's James Potenza, that Houston new home realtor. I help people just like you relocate to the Houston area to help you guys find the best neighborhoods, the best builders in town, anywhere in the Houston area. Look me up and I'll help you out. All right, let's go take a look at this Drees home. Yeah, so Drees Custom Homes in Meridiana, located just south of Houston. And this one is available. If you're relocating or moving across town, this home could be yours. Let's go take a look. All right, let's go take a look at this Drees home in Meridiana. They still have the construction doors on. And look at this little area here. Super cool. Yeah, it's hard to find a builder that does so many little intricate details like Drees. That's why I call them custom. Amazing. So we'll take you through the kitchen in a little bit, but this is the front bedroom and it has its own bathroom. Bathroom, shower. They got the trim in. Of course, the texture, they don't have the paint. And I just love these huge pieces down here. Right. Oh yeah, this is gonna be gorgeous. It already is. Once you get the walls up, it's amazing. Perfect for an office, and look at what you look out to. And that's going to be your doors for your office. Yeah, this home could be yours in Meridiana. Make sure you give me a call and I can definitely get in contact with the builder and we can start looking up prices, seeing what options they have. Seeing if there's a lot premium. It is on a corner, so it might have a lot premium. But just look at this. Oh, yeah, there's a surprise I was going to tell you about. The blue cabinets are in. Yay. I wouldn't call them blue, really. They're more like a slate. Yeah, kind of a slate blue. Same as the bottom. And once you get your floors in here, that's one of the last things they do. It is going to be amazing. But this area is just simply gorgeous. Right. Want to miss a room? So this is the primary suite. And this is the latest and greatest trend, is having the primary suite separate from the bedroom. And look at the size of this. That's going to be a huge shower. Plus, you're going to have a tub. How cool is that? And, well, let me back up here. There's more cabinets, going to be backsplash, and a sink, a mirror. And I don't know if you can see it here, but this is an amazing closet. Once we get some lights in here, that would look amazing. Yeah. There's your toilet. All right, the primary. Love the architecture on the ceilings. You're gonna have some additional lighting up there that I'm sure you can dim, make this look stunning. Here's where your flat screen goes. See, when they build these homes, they put a chase that goes down to the bottom, so you can run your low voltage signal to your TV. We're back in the living area, and just look at how big this space is. So we're already in the breakfast area, but I just wanted to show you how much space you have and how open it is. I mean, isn't this amazing? I mean, everybody could be sitting there. watch TV. Somebody could be cooking in here, and then of course you come over here and sit at a small table. And of course, in Texas, we love our covered patios. Right now it's in the middle of September, so it's about 90. Still pretty warm. But in the evenings, and this house is facing, that's going to be west. So you are going to get some sun in here, but because of the size of the patio, it goes back pretty far. It's still going to be shaded. Sweet. And we already got room for flat screen TV up there. That was a good choice. Right. That was just the first half of the house. Okay, so we have multiple areas here. And this be your media room. The reason I say it's a media room because there are no windows. And you've already got your wiring for your speakers all set up. And this is like your entertainment area. You can put a pool table right here, no problem. It's probably what you guys want to do. Pool table and a TV right there. If you don't want to watch a movie, you want to watch a game while you play pool, perfect. And then we have a bedroom with its own bathroom. Okay. Love this entertainment area. And back here, we have a bathroom here. Well, this would be the guest bathroom. It leads right off the kitchen. It's a full bath too. And another bedroom with a nice size closet. Nice. Looks out to the front. It's covered. And we got to check out the garage. And look at all these cabinets. Now, who wouldn't like to cook in something like this? Amazing. So you're out here with everybody, but if you want to sneak off in here and make something without anybody knowing it, you get your microwave going in there. And kind of a butler's area here, and another butler's area over here. Plenty of storage space. And check out that pantry. Plenty of storage. Walk in, you can organize it, you won't lose anything. That's great. All right, so let's head back here towards the garage, but first we have the laundry room. And this is a good size, and what's cool is it has the door from the driveway, or check this out. It's a man cave garage. They'll have your water heaters in here, but that's good enough to put a nice 68 Corvette right there. Perfect. And over here in the other garage, yeah, so you can walk underneath here, nothing will rain on you. Go through the utility room. I'm gonna cut across here, and this is your main garage with the nice windows. Nice. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. This is a beautiful Drees home in Meridiana. All right, how about those blue cabinets? This is gonna be an amazing home. Drees Homes in Meridiana. Meridiana is located just south of Houston in Manville, Texas, and also Iowa Colony, Texas. It's kind of divided up into two cities, but it's an amazing community. If you're looking to relocate or just move across town, let me be your #1 resource, your realtor, to help you find the best neighborhoods and the best builders in town. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.